So when you get your Lilla Rose kit, you're going to get this. And I'm going to show you how to put this up. This is a tabletop banner. It does come with instructions inside, but I'll just show you because a lot of people are like, what in the world is that? So this is your little banner. It has beautiful hairstyles to give people ideas of what they can do with these products. And here is the stand. So you're going to pop this stand open, just kind of click it into position like that. This is what sits on the table, the 3 side. The 2 side will be up. So we're going to take the banner, put this little knobby there, same way on here, like this. And then you'll notice the back actually has to bend in order for the bottom to go in. So go ahead and you can see I'm bending it and I'm putting that little hole on that little knob. So it does have to bend. It bends out backwards like this, see? Same way on this side. Each leg bends out backwards to then go on. And then there it springs forward just like that. And that's your tabletop banner that comes inside your Lilla Rose business kit, and that's how to put it together.